If you shoot S-Log3, this is how you make awesome color grades. My name's Casey, and I'll be your host for this brand new training course, Color Grading S-Log3. In this course, we start with the very basics of what S-Log3 is, why you want to shoot with it, and we look at some tips for getting good exposure so that you can make the very best images possible. Then we dive into working with S-Log3 footage in DaVinci Resolve, which is a free app that also happens to be the Hollywood standard for color grading. We explore basic color grading principles and techniques so that you have a solid foundation of how color works. Then we take that knowledge and apply it to a project shot in S-Log3 so that you can see all the techniques worked out in a practical way. And you can download the sample footage and grade along with me. This is the very best way to get started color grading your S-Log3 footage, even if you know nothing about color grading. At the end of this course, you'll be able to unlock the beauty of anything you shoot and make awesome color grades. If that sounds like fun, check out Color Grading S-Log3, the ultimate beginner's guide. It's available now at groundcontrol.film.